Hey traders! Welcome back again. I lost an account last week after earning $10 to $299. And in this video, I'll show you how I made $4,500 with the same $10. Guys, I also lose money. Losing doesn't indicate that you cannot win or make money. As you can see, the market has swept the most recent buy-side liquidity. This is an inducement in another way. After sweeping liquidity, the market touched our most recent 4-hour candle imbalance area. Here is the higher time frame supply zone. And this is our higher time frame imbalance area, and the market is currently consolidating in the higher time frame imbalance area. Guys, my first step is to figure out the point of interest on the higher time frame, and then, I dive into the lower time frame, and wait for the change of character before taking our position in the market. On the 5-minute chart, we can see that the price has broken the lower low, and created a change of character. Now, the price has already changed his character by breaking the most recent lower low in the lower time frame. Here, change of character with imbalance signifies that the market has shifted its direction. So, this is our lower time frame supply zone. In Forex, a change of character refers to a shift in the behavior of a currency pair or the market as a whole. This change could manifest in various ways, such as increased volatility, altered trading patterns, or a shift in the dominant trend direction. A few minutes later, the price returned to our lower time frame supply zone, therefore I took all of my positions from this point. And as always, I set all of my stop losses just above the supply zone. Guys, don't take risks as I do. I am a full margin trader, and I always take 100% risk of my account balance. However, you should not take more than a 2 to 5% risk. So, here are all my open and pending positions. Guys, I've been in Forex for almost 7 years, and I can assure you that the market creates opportunities every day. The market will constantly provide you with new opportunities, but if you take the whole risk and lose, you will never become skilled in winning. So, risk management is very crucial in Forex, and you should always focus on that.
A few moments later.
As you can see here, the market filled all of my pending sell orders and instantly fell to the most recent lower low, but it did not break the lower low. So, I won't close all of my orders. Instead, I'll wait for the price to break the lower low and generate a break of structure. If the price breaks the lower low, then I will enter my positions from the newly formed supply zone. Guys, my job is to take the minimal risk and maximize profit. If you take the minimal risk and wait for maximum profits, then you will be profitable in Forex. So, as you can see above, price broke the lower low, creating a break of structure. And the price is forced to go down. Now it's time to book my profits. Guys, after the first trade, the price went back to the newly formed supply zone. So, as you can see, this is our most current supply zone or order block. And the supply zone or order block is valid, because of the break of structure. In my previous videos, I called these areas supply or demand zone, but smart money refers to them as order block zones. So, I'll begin placing all of my pending limit orders from this supply zone, as the price is currently very close to the order block zone. Guys, here are all of my pending sell orders, and I set all of my stop losses above the supply zone. I used to refer those areas as supply zones, but they are actually called order blocks in SMC. Don't get confused, guys. I try to go broadcast on YouTube every day. My live broadcast channel link is in the description. I hope you subscribe to that channel and join my live. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and like it. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.
A few minutes later.
Guys, as you can see, after a few times later, price filled most of my sell orders except 2. The price then began to consolidate at that level. This is also an indication that the price is gonna fall from this level. If the price breaks the low again, I'll close all of my orders, and wait for the price to reach our newly established supply zone. After that I'll take positions from that supply zone again. And this is our current profit target zone. So many people have asked me how I select an order block zone. I chose the order blocks when the price broke the structure's most recent lower low. So, order blocks or supply zones are generated when the price breaks the structure.
The next day.
Guys, I took these positions on the last day of the week, and waited for the following week to start, and today is the first day of this week. As you can see that, the price has moved to the profit target zone. So, which one indicates a profit target zone? The most recent lower low is our profit target zone. And I closed all of my positions when the price reached its most recent low. Now, after closing all my trades, my account has reached $493. So, this is another quick trade that I took this week. The formula remains the same, as does the reason for the trade. As you can see here, gold is going down significantly, and then small pullback. I only take trades when the price meets all of the requirements on the chart. As you can see, after the price broke the low, I drew the order block area. Took all of my positions from that order block zone, and then waited for the price to break the most recent lower low again before closing all of my positions. So, as you can see here, the price has already reached our order block zone. And the order block is valid because of the break of structure. This is the break of this structure. So, I took all of my positions from the order block zone. And stop loss is always set above the order block or supply zone. Guys, as you can see, the price created a large imbalance candle but did not fill the imbalance area. The price will fill it, but only after sweeping out sell side liquidity, or breaking the lower low. So, I took those positions to make a quick profit. I know, it won't move higher, until it breaks its low. Here are all of my open and pending sell positions. Let's see what happened next. Guys, see, all pending positions have been filled, and the price continues to consolidate.
20 minutes later.
A few minutes later, the price broke the lower low, giving me a large profit. So, now it's time to book my profits. So, after all of those trades, this is going to be my final trade of the week. As you can see, the price immediately returned to our order block zone, filling in all of the imbalance areas. So, I took all of my positions from this order block zone. Guys, I made a mistake, and I believe you can figure it out.
One eternity later.
So finally, the price has reached our sell side area, and I have no doubt that it will sweep the sell side lower low. However, just to be safe, I will close all of my orders and book my profits. Guys, I built this account simply by following the SMC order block zones, and in a single day, I made a tremendous profit. Anyone can do the same. But you must be very patient. So, here you can see the history of my account, and all the positions I took today. Finally, thank you for watching this video. My broker and free Telegram links are in the description, don't forget to join. Good luck guys.